So I finally got to that air filter and noisy blower motor today. There's the blower. The air filter, cabin air filter, was easy to get to. Didn't need to remove all this glove box, whatever you want to call it. Just the glove box itself, and then you could pull the filter right out this way. And the fan's noisy because it sat in water because of that stupid plugged up AC drain hose. So I'm getting a new fan. May as well put that in. See? And luckily my what is it called? The fresh air thing still works. Let's see if that. There you go. So that's recirculated air. Hey. Oh, where's it? Where is it? And that's the fresh air. Pretty cool. Anyway.